Here's a quick walkthrough of filtering data in Google Sheets, using a sales spreadsheet as the example. A filter lets you temporarily hide the rows you don't need, so only records matching a condition stay visible. The sheet on screen tracks orders with columns for date, region, product, quantity, price, and revenue. To start, click the header of the column you want to filter. Here that's column F, which holds the quantity values. With the column selected, right-click its header to bring up the context menu. Choose Create a Filter from that menu. Once it's applied, every column header gets a small filter icon, which is your entry point into the filtering options. If this video helps you out, a like is always appreciated. Now open the filter icon on the quantity column to configure how the rows should be filtered. By default, the menu just lists values, but we want rule-based filtering instead. Click Filter by Condition to expand those options. This reveals a drop-down of logical tests you can apply, such as text matches, dates, or number comparisons. Open the Condition drop-down, which currently shows none. Pick Greater Than from the list. That condition compares each row's number against a value you provide next. In the value or formula box that appears, enter whatever threshold fits your data. 3 in this example. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and click the green OK button to apply everything. The sheet instantly collapses to just 6 rows every order where quantity is above 3. Notice the row numbers on the left skip values. Those hidden rows still exist, they're simply not displayed. The totals shown here range from $4 up to $15 in revenue, all from high-quantity orders. Nothing was deleted. Filtering only changes what's visible, so your full data set stays intact underneath. If you want to adjust or remove the filter later, just reopen the same filter icon on the quantity header. From there, you can change the condition, clear it entirely, or confirm your current setup with OK again. You can repeat this on any column, combining conditions across several headers to narrow things down further. That covers the whole process. Add a filter, pick a condition, set a value, and hit OK. It's one of the fastest ways to focus on exactly the records you care about in any spreadsheet. Thanks for following along. If you'd like more Google Sheets tips, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss them.